Join me as I dive into the world of AUTOCOPY crypto trading and try to figure out if it's really worth the hype today. AUTOCOPY crypto trading has been gaining a lot of attention lately, and for good reason. It's a method that allows traders to automatically copy the trades of experienced investors, potentially earning them significant profits. Many traders struggle with finding the time to monitor markets and make informed decisions. Analyzing market trends, understanding technical indicators, and staying up to date with news can be overwhelming. Even experienced traders can find it challenging to keep up with the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency. The complexity of market analysis is a significant hurdle for those who are new to trading. Without a solid understanding of trading strategies, it's easy to get lost in the sea of information. AUTOCOPY trading works by connecting your trading account to that of a more experienced trader. When they make a trade, it is automatically replicated in your account. One of the key benefits of AUTOCOPY trading is that it allows novice traders to learn from the best. However, it's essential to understand that AUTOCOPY trading also comes with risks. If the trader you're copying makes a bad decision, you could lose money. Take story of a trader who started with AUTOCOPY trading and saw significant returns. By copying the trades of a seasoned investor, they were able to earn a substantial profit without having to spend hours analyzing the market. Their success story is a testament to the potential of AUTOCOPY trading. This trader's experience highlights the importance of choosing the right trader to copy. It also shows that AUTOCOPY trading can be a great way to get started with trading, even with little experience. In conclusion, auto-copy crypto trading offers a compelling solution for both novice and experienced traders. It provides a way to potentially earn significant profits while minimizing the time and effort required for market analysis. If you've had any experience with AUTOCOPY trading, I'd love to hear about it in the comments. Also, be sure to check out my other video on crypto trading strategies for more insights on how to succeed in the world of cryptocurrency.